All right, Shane here from Organix Agency. So in this video, we'll be walking through why you need a good website and also automations, right? A lot of folks focus just on the website, but never kind of add automations to make your life easier. Now, before we start, we'll give you a quick update of what's been going on. All right, by the way, if you need to reach out to me, head over to my website, organixagency.com. Make sure you write the X. And I'm also on X, Instagram, and Facebook, right? So just reach out to me and I'm happy to help you with anything that you need. We are still doing free website analysis, SEO, video SEO audits. So if you need your website to be audited or your Google My Business, also reach out to us. So, and I will be doing the audit myself. Now, sorry about the coughing, but the weather has been quite crazy recently. So we've had 3 days of extreme heat, meaning 40 degrees, 41 degrees. I know for some of you, maybe the normal weather conditions there, but normally in Hanoi, where I'm at right now, it's not. So, but it's raining. It's a bit rainy right now, so it's much better. But it kind of messes with your throat. So yeah. Next. Basically right now what we're doing is we are revamping the services, the backend. We're adding new stuff to our service offering, especially for the GMB management. So if we head over to the GMB management package, as you will see, by the way, this video I recorded probably a couple months ago, so it doesn't really represent what you're seeing here. I've changed this service or updated it so many times. My team member, my developer, is going crazy because he actually updates the end website, right? So he's yeah, he's expecting that it's gonna get an update soon. But I think we've reached a point where we have almost the perfect GMB management package, where it's not just the GMB management, that's one aspect, but we're also going to help you set your automations, right? Help you get more leads from your website, get more reviews, so that more reviews you get, the better you're gonna rank and the more leads you're gonna get. And also basically help you maintain all of the different social media profiles, right? Get all of those chat or all of those leads into one place, into one application that you can just easy follow up with. So a lot of stuff. And also this plan here is it's basically a full service starter package for small businesses, because we also do hosting and maintenance, and we provide 1 hour of website edit per month. So if there's ever anything on your website, you need a different image here, or you need a text change, just send us a message and we'll tend to that. So so yeah, heading back to this. So we have been also, I have been trying to do more videos, as you see, probably been posting more on YouTube and also Reels on Instagram and Facebook. I'm trying to get into a certain flow and just testing out different ways or different content pieces, especially because right now we're trying to scale up. We've reached a point where our services are pretty set for the most part. There might be some streamlining further down the road, but for the websites that we designed, people don't understand this when I speak to them. The sites that we're designing right now are worth 3 or 4 times more, because I know other agencies in the US, in the UK, that are selling websites like that for $15,000, $20,000. You're getting a pretty custom design. If you order a custom design from us, you're getting it for a steal, right? You're not going to be paying $15,000, $20,000, but you're going to get a really nicely designed website that has all of the foundations for you to continue or build on in terms of SEO and ranking and getting more leads from Google. so yeah, basically, like I said, a lot of videos will be coming out more, so I have a bit more time to focus on that right now. So I'm trying to record at least a video a day or 5 days a week, right? And now besides that, we're also launching a new SaaS edition, so a new software. As you can see down here, that's basically that marketing automation, right? So most of our clients will get that, so they'll get a chat widget on their website, CRM, reputation management system. So basically it's way more than GMB management. Just this alone, the review management, is worth, I think, $300, because other websites, other companies are selling it for 300 bucks a month. So you're getting this at a steal anyways. So yeah, but with that comes additional support, additional work, right? So I'm definitely kind of like in a position where I need to hire a technical person or someone who can deal with the technical questions of customers, and also help with the onboarding. So kind of like middle in that situation right now, because we got to get all of our clients switched over to this system if they want, of course. Now, besides that, like I said, we are also improving the website speed of our clients. So that means like better hosting, better maintenance, right? And also just 24/7 uptime monitoring. So if your site goes down, we will probably know it before you do, and we'll already be on it. So yeah, yeah, and I mean, just to kind of like mention why, or just make clear why it's necessary to maintain your website. So we had one client who did not do that for a while. So as you can see here, these are like two versions of his site, and what happened was it got infected a while back, and it took us quite a bit of work in order to get it out or to find the files that were corrupted by the malware. But even then, the first cleanup didn't do the job quite well. So a couple months later, a couple weeks later, we still found there was still a malware on there. So we had to go back in a second time to clean it up. And as you can see here, this company is located in Australia, but for some reason they have Spanish text on their homepage, and I can guarantee you that's because of the malware. Now, malware come in like different forms, and sometimes they'll redirect the traffic from your website to a completely other website, selling their own products. It's pretty nasty. And other times they'll install some kind of like text or backlinks on your website. So as you can see here, on this website, it has like a link towards a casino page. So essentially they're taking your link juice and directing it to another website. I'll probably do a separate video on this. Need to write it down, but do a separate video on this, on what we did and what you're looking at right now. So yeah, let's see. Anyways, this was the old version of his website. We're just waiting on him to give us access to change the DNS. And once the DNS has been changed, this is the cleaned up version of the site. So this is on our own servers and also more protected than the previous one. All right, so let's see, where were we? All right, so heading back to this, we're also changing out a couple of softwares. So we might be moving away from local Viking, which means no more GeoBooster application. But I think it's necessary. We might be moving to local Dominator. I think it's local Dominator. Yeah, there are one or two out there that we might actually try, because we really just need the grids maybe once a month, only when we're onboarding the client, or maybe once every 3 months. The real numbers that we're tracking are essentially GMB visibility and also the amount of calls on the GMB. So a lot of like automations that we're trying to get set up for our clients. So it's going to take a lot of work in terms of like onboarding them, and then also setting up all of the systems.